Hi everyone. Welcome to Game Lords. And this is first devlog video from the new project Xmas Devlog series. I recently started working on a new Christmas-themed horror game. This is gonna be a first-person game set in a village 5 minutes before Christmas. The protagonist realizes that the Christmas decorations are done, but there is a power cut. So he decides to check the boiler room, but finds out that the worker lost the key of the room in woods last night, because he saw something strange there. The aim of the game is to bring back electricity, by finding the key near a creature that suddenly appeared. But the twist is, he have to do this before Christmas. The video quality is little low, because my PC couldn't handle recording, so I decided to reduce resolution a little. By the way, currently only the world design is finished. I'm gonna soon add sounds and gameplay elements. So the creature is found somewhere in the dense woods. It just patrols there, in a certain way, until you get close to it. I'm gonna also add NPC, which will give clues on how to get the key from it. Do subscribe the channel if you like the game. It will be completely free to play on itch.io. Also feel free to share your suggestions to improve game or any feedbacks you want to give to make it better. So the creature patrols here. I made a very simple script to do it. I am currently working on a jump scare, which will trigger once you are in a certain range from it, which will result in game over. This harmless creature moves like this in editor window. It follows these objects, which I call waypoints. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay updated with the devlogs. Also, this is not the final quality. I will improve it with post-processing, particle effects and other improvements. You can also suggest some in comments. And this was the first time I worked on a horror game, so it may not be as good as other horror games, but I'm trying my best. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.